How do flying saucers fly? Ooh. Well, let's see. One guy has a theory. His name is David Cerita, one of the guests on Coast to Coast. He says that they get their machine, their flying saucers, to actually weigh nothing. They would spin their electrons so fast that they actually are in another dimension, so that they weigh nothing, so they can fly around. So, and I mean, in the videos that you see the flying saucers, they suddenly disappear. Yeah, that's when they go into the other dimension. So I believe that. You know, you got to get your ship to weigh nothing. But how do they have anti-gravity? How'd you fly around just like that? Well, this guy called Bob Lazar, who took apart the craft that crashed at Roswell, said that they have this thing called element 118. So that's like a really heavy element, you know, like the heaviest element we have now is like uranium, like 92. So it's like really heavy. So I think what they do is they put their element 118 into their flying saucer, and then they gyrate it around really fast, like ridiculously fast, like 1,000,000, 2,000,000 times a second, which thusly makes their ship have its own torsion field that you can also manipulate the movement of. Now, there's a scientist, I can't remember his name, it's in Richard Hoagland's book, Dark Mission, some guy, he shot a little metal ball out of a cannon up in the air, and then it fell. And then he shot it out spinning 27,000 times a second. The one that span 27,000 times a second flew a lot higher, fell a lot faster, and traveled a lot farther. So we don't really understand it yet, but creating these torsion fields would make something a lot lighter. Another guy did an experiment where he spun something. He had a gyro, spun it around, and it weighed 2% less. It weighed 6 pounds less than it did originally when it wasn't spinning. So I think they have these little gyro things on there that make them weigh nothing, and then have the make them respond to the movement changes a lot lighter. That coupled with not weighing anything, and then they have some kind of 0 point energy that they suck right out of the sky, I think, somehow. Either that or they have really strong batteries. Our batteries are getting a lot stronger every year. They're getting way stronger, kind of like exponentially stronger. And like the memory of computers, it's pretty amazing. So something like that. But whatever it is, I think it's going to make total sense to us. I don't think we'll be like, I don't get it. You know, maybe it'll be kind of like E equals MC squared. You know, you'll have to be really smart to get it. I don't get E equals MC squared, really. So basically, that's my theory of how flying saucers fly.